Hello, my friends, and welcome to another quick edition of Liberation and Unity with Grace. And I am Grace Cavanaugh. Thank you for joining me. Um, I want to be perfectly honest, straight up. This is not going to be a long video. I've already done a few takes on this, and I haven't liked those takes. I'm just going to give you the information because I'm not feeling well. I haven't been feeling well for a couple weeks pretty strongly. And I've actually been dealing with a health crisis. And so that is why, for those of you who are subscribed to my channel, I haven't been making videos for 2 weeks now. Today is Wednesday, October 7th. And I just wanted to put this out there as an announcement. You know, I'm going through a health crisis. And I was able to show up today to my monthly Light the Way membership subscription. And for some amazing reason, late yesterday afternoon, I started to feel better. And I was able to get up and really do this call that we do every first Wednesday of the month, which is called Light the Way. And if you're interested, it is a phenomenal experience. Each month we have a group of community of light around the world that is holding space, and we are connecting, and we are on a webinar where we can chat and ask questions and have conversations and listen to teachings and guidance with Osairah. And we just commune in a really beautiful, loving, supportive way, holding and anchoring light for all that we're all going through. I've been doing this membership Light the Way call on the first Wednesday of every month at 11 Pacific for over 2 years now. And a lot of people are still on it who've been from the beginning. So it's a very beautiful connection and commitment that I hold very near and dear. And today we had Osairah come in, and Mother Mary came in too, and it was really, really beautiful. And I think we'll probably see if we can put up a little mini excerpt so you all can see that if you're interested in joining. But the reason I wanted to come on right now is just to give you a quick hello, and to my subscribers to say thank you for being here and let you know what's been going on. I have had a crisis in my health, and I've sort of been not doing very well for the past few weeks, for sure. I am having to tend to my health, and some days I have no capacity to do anything. So I don't have COVID-19. I am just dealing with some other actual physical health problems, and so I'm sure I'm going to recover just fine. It's just that now it's time for me to take good care of myself. And one of the things about that is that I was feeling so much pressure to, because I put that pressure on myself. I'm feeling that pressure that, oh my gosh, I have to do the video for Monday for the show Liberation and Unity, which I love and I'm grateful for. But at the same time, I was realizing that that pressure was really too much for me. And so I had to let it slide and let myself off the hook. And so I hope you'll forgive me, but I'm sorry for not being able to make a video sooner on my YouTube channel until I hit a certain amount of hours viewed, of hours watched all the time, and also subscribers. I need to hit, I think, over 1,000. I have a very small channel. We're still growing, and I'm so grateful for you being here. And I need more subscribers to be able to have the option to write notes on the page, on the YouTube, on my YouTube channel. I can't write notes to you all, and I wanted to be able to do that, but until my channel grows a bit more, I won't be able to have that option. I wanted to be able to tell you that I was sick and I wasn't feeling well, and I couldn't even make a video. And so here I am. I don't want this to alarm you. I don't want to sound overly dramatic. I'm just letting you know the facts. And today I felt better to do the membership call this morning, and it was wonderful. And feel free to join that because it's once a month and it's really extensive. We're usually there for at least 2 hours. Sometimes it's an hour and a half. Sometimes we even go over 2 hours, but it's, and if you're not able to be there live, you would get the replay. But I really believe that I was supported by the angels and my guides, and something just shifted in my health to feel well enough to do that call. Because a few days before, I thought, my gosh, how am I ever going to do that call? It was just feeling like Mount Everest a few days before that. And then it was like, whew, I got all this energy and I was able to do it. And now I'm at the end of my day on the same day, and I wanted to make a video, and I tried a couple times, and the truth is I just don't have a lot to give. I don't even have enough brain, body, consciousness power right now to be guiding and teaching, or to share even talking. So I wanted to let you know that I'm going to continue liberation and unity with Grace, because that's what we're in. We are in this period of time that's magnificent, and it's so challenging on so many levels. But we are in an inner experience and an outer experience of liberation and unity with Grace, for ourselves, for the world. It just happens to be my namesake, so I thought it worked. But I am going to continue the videos. I just am going to take it as it comes and when I can do them. It's just too much pressure right now for me to feel like I have to have it out every Monday. So please stay tuned. Please check in. Notice when the alarm little light goes off, or your bell goes off, that I have uploaded a video, because we are going to continue to upload videos on here. It just might not be me doing a live one like this on every Monday. So it's with so much love that I say thank you for being a part. I love reading your comments. I love responding. I'm incredibly grateful that there is this connection for us in the world at this time, and that you're connected with me. And I know that when I move through this process of my physical, emotional well-being and health, the way that this is transforming me and growing me right now in a dedication to taking care of myself in a different way, which is a boundary, sacred contracts, which we all need now. I will come through the other side. I've seen so many of these processes within my own life transform me, and I feel like what happens is I become made anew. So I really look forward to our continuation. And for those of you just now maybe watching this video for the first time, please look back at other videos, and so you'll know who I am and what is here, and what we're going to continue to do, grow and expand on, having new topics and new experiences in this platform. So it's with so much love I say thank you, and I will see you on the next video, probably during the day when I have more energy and more capacity. So I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for the support. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing and liking my my page, my channel, my videos. I really appreciate it. Until next time, much, much love.